All right, everyone. A quick update here on QNT. So Quant, from the last couple of times we looked at it, I've been pretty much pointing out, looking at the macro monthly chart, but we're here on the 3-day chart just to kind of show you the short-term price action here. I think the bottom has finally been put in on QNT here. So whoever bought on this large wick all the way down to about 50 cents, you may have bought the bottom, and it's never going to go back down that low. As you can see on the smaller chart here, low to the high, it's holding perfectly over the 382 here. So as long as you're over 67, you're currently at 70. I would say the bottom is in and you are bullish here, at least short term, to push right back up. So just keep it that simple. As long as you're over 67, you are bullish. Along with the wick here, the market structure, you can clearly see higher highs, higher lows that have come in. Now, going back out to the monthly chart here, let's get the smaller fib off. You can see here, this is where we've kind of been watching it, and we threw up this green line here. I believe that's the low to the high, 786 final support. Let me go ahead and check that. Cover so many different assets here on the channel, it's hard to remember what's what. So yeah, you can see that 786 down there, that's that green line. So we hit low to the high, final support down here. The uptrend that we have on the chart, on the macro chart here, is holding up, and as we just went over, it looks bullish short term here. So I think the bottom is in. That will be confirmed once we get over 73 here. Once we get the price back over 73 with a candle here, we will be officially bottomed out on QNT. And like I said, I think that's it. I think it finally bottomed out after all this time we've been looking at it. And then of course on the macro scale, you're not bullish until you get over 104, the 382 on the larger fib here. So we'll simply measure this. You need to move up about 5% to get over that 73. Then we do have this level here, about a 20% move up to about 84, 85. You can see this, if you look back in the past, there is support in this area. So another price to get over here before you head to that 382. But in total, if you can move up and get over 20%, then you have that 382 up here. You can see it's almost a 50% moved over 104. And then, in my opinion, I think QNT is finally going to be bullish, where it's going to start skyrocketing is over 140 here. Once it can get a monthly close over this level here, that's when we're really going to start moving over 140 here. Now, with all that being said, let's move this down from the last update, and let's see how high this thing is going to end up going. We do have our market caps up here, and the high target price here is the $27.5 billion market cap to the 1618, over $2,000. That's the target I think QNT is headed for. That is a 32.5, almost a 33x from today. And then to be more conservative and have some different prices to watch here, we have the 23.4 billion up to about $1,300 is going to give you a 20x. And then the $12.8 billion market cap to the new high here on our chart would take you up to the 1272, just under 1,000 at 960, and would give you a solid 13.5x on your investment. So not bad for QNT here. So of course, what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.